Well, you don't have your camera on.
What are you saying?
I forgot to push a button.
So what kind of paint is that?
It's untextured deck paint. I tried the textured one. It's too textured. Don't knock my paint over.
You know me too well.
Makaih beats.
Always do the hard stuff first when you're painting. That's my strategy. So I'm going to do like the edges.
Yeah, I was going to tell you, as a crafter, we always did the edges first.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
What made you choose this paint?
This paint actually is going to go underneath. This is just a porch paint. It's kind of a deck, you know, a rugged outdoor deck paint. But it's the floor, and the coin mat's going to go over it. So we really won't see it. It's just
Durable?
Just add a little bit of durability. Plus, I just really don't want to see wood in this van. This is not Little House on the Prairie. This is more like Lost in Space.
All right, let's see you paint, dude. You don't talk to me.
I'm not going fast enough for you, are I?
No, you said you wanted to get all this done while we had good weather.
Yeah, well, that's a whole day, not 10 minutes. It's supposed to rain and get cold tomorrow.
Why are you taking it out with the... Okay, why are you doing it like that? Lift it and pour.
Yeah, I could do that. Look at that. Already got...
Oh, you know how I look after painting. I'm covered. That's why I just throw on old clothes and go for it.
Can you get me some paper towels?
Yeah. So, what do you think is the better way to paint? Trying to keep... No, let me finish. Trying to keep yourself clean.
No.
Or not caring.
No, I'm focused. I'm focused on the... I'm a destination guy. I'm not a journey guy. So.
But you never get dirty when you paint.
Yeah, I'm pretty accurate.
I get covered. It's all over my hands, my arms, my clothes, everything.
I don't really like what I did there.
I would just go over it with a brush and just sort of feather it out. Or that.
There, that helped. Actually, you can paint with that.
I'm allergic to something out here.
Work.
Yeah. That's me. Allergic to work.
Actually, you're not allergic to work. You spent all night painting the kitchen, didn't you?
10 minutes.
It took you more than 10 minutes to write that sign to me that said, wet paint.
The last thing I wanted is for you to come in and lean against the counter edge and get a white stripe on your shirt. I figured that would make your bad day even worse.
Yesterday was pretty good. It was a hard day, though. That wood is heavy. I looked up the weight of 3/4 inch plywood. And while it feels like 100 pounds, it's not. They say it's only 60. But this is marine grade plywood. It might be a little bit more.
That looks like an inch to me. That doesn't look like 3/4.
This is 3/4.
I beg to differ.
You dig to beffer?
I say we get
I'm going to measure it for you.
Yeah, I say we get the ruler out and find out.
Okay, look, I'll do it for you.
Oh, you're going to get the calipers out.
I'm going to tell you exactly.
Okay, wait.
Oh, man. Look how close it is. It's within 0.004 of 3/4 of an inch.
So it's...
No, it's actually better.
It's not a full inch?
Look at that. 750. See right there? Each one of those things is 1/1000th of an inch.
Okay.
That's how close it is to 3/4 of an inch.
So
That's incredible.
Wrong. That's not an inch. Wow, that looks like an inch to me.
Okay, right there. This is 0.750. So 3/4 of an inch. 1 inch would be out here.
Okay, I see. So you're adding this plus this
Yep,
together.
yep,
Okay.
yep.
Okay, cool.
That's pretty amazing how close that is. These
Wow,
things,
you think they have machines building these things or
you
something?
think? Gotta think about this texture and see how I already don't like it.
You already don't?
What are we gonna do?
I thought it had no texture. That's because of the roller you're using.
I know, but how do I stop that?
Okay.
That's what I want right there.
I know what you, here, hold this and I'll go get what you need.
No, I'm not holding anything. I'm working.
You can either use that to apply it or use it to smooth it out.
Where is it? Oh yeah, that's what I want right there. Oh yeah, baby.
What would you do without me?
Probably have a party. No, I'm just kidding. I love you. I just wouldn't do all this stuff if it wasn't for you, all the inspiration.
What, you wanted to bring your tray closer to you?
I could, but I'm just so lazy. I don't have any help.
Yeah, I'll help you, but I got to change clothes.
Oh my gosh, no.
I would have this all over me in 2 minutes. Look at that. Look what I did for you there.
Okay, I need you to get a small brush. I need you to fix all these holes. I don't want you to do it. I need you to help me.
Fix all these holes. Oh, you mean this stuff that's in there?
Yeah. And you got to go quick because they're drying. Well, I'm just going to close my eyes and come back later.
Yeah, look at it later.
Well, all in all, I hate it. But it's not completely dried yet, and I almost always hate paint when it's at this stage.
And I think we can sand
Maybe
down
you
the high
can sand
points.
some of it. I don't really know.